Yebo sanibonani King Bhaka lo. Ngithi kuno live oshubile engizowenza. Kuno live oshube kakhulu engizowenza. And lo live lo ngizocela ukwenza Saturday ngeSabatha ngomgqibelo ngo5 ntambama. Uzobushubile mina ke angiyena ke lo muntu othi bengabe ehlola athi kunensile yathwetshulwa kunento eyagqitshwe emva kwendlu angikho kuleyo level. Kunezilwane ezifakiwe angikho kuleyo level. Mina ngikwi level yokuthi mangihlola ngathathi futhi ngoshukela ngixoxele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hayi ngoshukela, hayi ngelukuluku, ngixoxele nje ukuthi empilweni yakho kunje ngikuleyo level mina. Ngikule level ekuthiwa umuntu uyambonisa ukuthi konakalephi, konakala kanjani, kuzolunga, kusangalunga yini, makumele kulunge kusangalunga kanjani. Uyabo? Ngikuleyo level. And enye into engizoyiqinisekisa mase ngikhuluma Saturday zo2 ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi kunoma yinini empilweni khona into enhle kube khona into embi. Ubuhle nobubi kuyahambisana. Yabo? Kuba khona idlozi elibi, kube khona idlozi elihle. Umuntu nje wakhe welwe phezulu kwaleso sisekela. Khona idlozi elihle, khona idlozi elimbi kumuntu. Khona izilwane ezihamba nomuntu, khona ingilosi futhi ezihamba nomuntu. Istandard nje akuyonto edinga ukuhlolwa. Uma ngabe unekhaya, ekhaya lakho ikhona imimoya emimbi, ikhona futhi nemimoya emihle. Kodwa kumele uthandazele ukuthi akudominate imimoya emihle ekhaya. Ngisho ngokwasemazulwini khona uSathane, khona uNkulunkulu. Khona negative, khona positive. Uyabona? Kodwa empilweni akudominate into ezipositive towards your life. Angadominate into ezinegative towards your life. It is nje what it is. Into engadinge kuhlolwa, into engadinge kuchazwa, into ekumele nje we understand. Khona okuhle, khona okubi. Khona ukujabula, khona ukukhala. Iqiniso, this is the fact of life. But ngizongena deep ngalento yami, ngale nkulumo yami ngomgqibelo ngo5. Okunye futhi engifuna ukukusho, abaningi bazongizonda, abaningi bazongithanda. Kulabafundisi laba bala eKZN, laba yitshethi basile, abayitshela ukuthi bahamba noNkulunkulu omkhulu. Ngiyangila nje ngisendleleni. Ngisendleleni nje ngidlule nje le garage. Basangenile abafana nazi imoto ezihamba bona lapha ya. Basangene ngaphakathi bayothenga into ama refreshment, mina ngicela amanzi bazobuya nawo. Sengithi ake ngilithathe lelithuba bese ayothenga amanzi abafana. Nomfundisi nje khumbuleka ngikhuluma into engekho. Labafundisi abayitshela ukuthi bayazi. Abayitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu omkhulu abahamba naye, ibona abahamba noNkulunkulu, abanye abantu nje abana uNkulunkulu, ibona abanoNkulunkulu. Ngicheckile. Ngatholani kulowo mfundisi loyo? Ngizomusho ngomgqibelo ngo5. Ngatholani kuyena? Ngathola ukuthi uThwale ngani? uThwale ngedlozi la kaNkosikazi. Hayi la kubo. Cha. Ela kubo ulidizethile nalo lamdizetha. Wasethwala ngedlozi la kaNkosikazi. Ubani lo kaNkosikazi athwale ngaye? uThwale ngogogo ozala uma kaNkosikazi wakhe. Shuthi akathwalanga ngoma kaNkosikazi, kodwa uThwale ngogogo. Ngizoyichaza in details ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani lo mfundisi eThwale. Ningivimbe bafethu uma ningafuni ngikhulume into ejulile, into engekho kwi level yempatha lengizobe ngikhuluma. And njengoba ngiqala ngisho lo mfundisi uzomudla uNembeza ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uzowubuka lo live wami lo. uzomudla unembeza ukuthi hayi inkosi uKing Bhaka. Ngibuya manje ngibuye edamini labakhanda ngifuna amaqalwa lonyaka njengoba uqalwa lonyaka ngifuna uqalwe ngeqiniso kumele zonke izinto zihlale right on the table. Uma sengishila into ngiyakunika ilungelo ngithi mawuthanda ungangibopha kodwa ngeke ngize ngibopheke. Ungangireporta la ungireporta khona ngeke benze lutho ungangireporta even kuma authorities ngeke enze for call because nginkosi emhlabeni ngindodana kaNkulunkulu emazulwini. Kodwa manje ngikhuza nithi hayi King Bhaka isikwenye level leyonkulumo leyo. Isikwenye level iyeke manje ngikhuze ngiyanithembisa ngizoyiyeka ngoba mina ngasho ngathi umsebenzi wami ukulwela umphakathi. Uma ngabe ngikhuzwa yinini lelithi hayi thula Nkosi yethu hayi ngizothula. Kodwa manje ithi hayi Inkosi yethu ngena kuyona hayi lalelani la. Manje ngihlohla ngizongena kuyona manje ngihlohla. Manje ngihlohla nje ngizongena kuyona babe ngihlohla. Umfundisi oyitshela ukuthi usile owazi ukuthi yena uthandaza athi dilika ntaba izintaba zifuna ukudilika uThwale hayi ngedlozi lakhe ngedlozi laka nkosikazi. Akho uNkulunkulu lapha ya. Idlozi laka nkosikazi imimoya yaka nkosikazi okuyiyona ezenza engathi uNkulunkulu kule ndoda. Gcwala ngiyakufakela baba. Gcwala ngiyakufakela. Gcwala ngiyakufakela. Uma ngabe seningihlohlile then mhlambe useyangichallenge lowo mfundisi. Idu ngichallenge live noma ungichallenge eceleni ngiyoze ngimfundise okunye kade engakwazi ngesikhathi benza lemgilingwane ngoze ngimfundise okunye ukuthi lento wena yenzeke kanje yenza kanje ngoze ngimfundise okunye mina. Ingakho ngiyaye ngicele ngithi ngiyacela ukuthi kulento zenkolo engathi umuntu angahlala kwilane yakhe lento zenkolo ungayiphazamisa ilane yomunye umuntu kanti awugcwele ngoba once waphazamisa ilane yomunye umuntu uattracta thina nepower yethu ukuthi asibuke lento attracta thina kufana noma uzohlukumeza ingane noma uhlukumeza unkosikazi ibisifika la social media usu attractile umthetho ukuthi awuthatha indawo nathi once wakhuluma into zakamoya la wazenza usiyazi la uyas attracta nepower yethu kanti ipower yethu akuyona eyokujaja abantu eyokuthi umuntu akabe kwile as long as bengahlukumezekanga umuntu. Mina normally ngingena makukhona umuntu noma kukhona abantu abazo exploiteka yila ngingena khona kodwa mawuzozikhulumela into zakho nje unga exploit umuntu ngenkulumo yakho anginalo ilungelo lokungena anginalo. So ishubile leyo ukhakhayi ukuze ukwazi ukuthola le information engiyilanda esigodlweni kumele eqine ngempela indlela esovula ngawo unyaka lo ukukhuluma into hayi umuntu ozoloku ethi hawu yebo kunjalo khuluma into ozothi umuntu bengabe yizwa athuke umuntu omkhulu hayi lezi zinto ebuye kudlalwe ngazo thiwe kuyahlolwa kanti abantu ukuthi bathi yebo mkhulu bathengiwe ukuthi abothi yebo mkhulu. Mina ngikhuluma ngawe baba unyanye mawunyanya kodwa iqiniso lizoma azikho inyathelo ozongithathela zona ngoba uzobe uzwile iqiniso. Mina ngakhuluma mina ngesikhulu saseyadini kushubile banyanya bathi bongithathela inyathelo ngasho ngathi hayi fuck off angithathela inyathelo ofuna ukusithatha kasithathe but angiyona lento evesane uthatha inyathelo kalula nje kuyona ibise nayo iyathatheleka ngathi fuck off abenze noma yini kwenzakalana emva kwalokho kwagcina abantu kwagcina mina uphi lo ephapha ethi ngothatha inyathelo ukhulume ngomfowethu wayeyiphaphela nje weyiphaphela ngoba befuna ukuhlukumeza unkosikazi njoba isihambile indoda bebona ukuthi mina amaqiniso engiwavezayo wrong because anika unkosikazi amandla ngoba lento sijwayelekile ukuthi mayidlula indoda kufuna abasemzini bamhlukumeze unkosikazi lonto must come to an end kuthi makudlula indoda unkosikazi ifuneke ahlukumezeke manje lonto must come to an end ngkhona nje mina manje ngizolikhuluma udaba lalo mfundisi oyitshela usile ngomgqibelo ngo5 uThwale othwale ngabantu basekhweni, wathwala ngedlozi lasekhweni, literally. Ukhona ukuthwala njalo, kodwa kuba kwenye uhlobo le-level, uhlobo oluthile lokuthwala. Akulona lo hlobo lokuthwala abantu abalijwayele ukuthi shuthi unelwani unani. Khona uhlobo oluthile lokuthwala elokuthi uthwale ngabantu basekhweni. Ngizocacisa kahle ngomgqibelo. Abanye kunohlobo oluthile lokuthwala, uthola ukuthi uthwale ngesihlobo sakho, hayi ngoba kuyingqinamba ukuthi uthwala ngaso. Usuke nje waya kumuntu, umuntu wakunika into bangakutshela iqiniso, bangakutshela iqiniso, kanti leyo nto izodla endlini. Uhlobo oluthile lokuthwala, ubungaqondile ukuthwala, kodwa ukuyithwalekekekele kona. Umehluko lapho sekuphoqa ukuthi njalo ngonyaka funa emndenini ibe khona umuntu ozodlula. Once kwangadlula umuntu seziyabhetha into zakho, sometimes zona usungekho aware. Into enjalo ngizozichaza i-level bafethu uningixolele, lento engikhuluma kuyona i-level engikuyona. Yingakho ngaze ngasho ngathi as long as mawunomakhandakhanda, I am bound to fight for you. Wazi noma ungazi ngoba unomakhandakhanda. Yingakho lapha edamini lamakhandakhanda kuyimanje kuyasetshenzwa, kwakhiwa lendle engayisho ngathi ngifuna makufika abantu abanomakhandakhanda bahlale kucaca ukuthi bahlonishwe emhlabeni, bahlonishwe ezulwini, izinto zabo zinqotshwe ngezinga eliphezulu. Kuyakhiwa kuyimanje kwakhelwa bona. Njengoba ngila ayikho into engangihlula ukukhuluma ngayo ezweni. Baze bayibuza abantu abangazi lutho bathi, King, ukwazi kanjani ukukhuluma ngayo yonke into? Mangabe unamandla, ngampela uNkulunkulu ewugobela, angithi uNkulunkulu uoverseer wayo yonke into. Kufana nasekhaya, bengabe uyinkosana noma uyindodana kababa wakho, ubaba wakho ukutshela zonke imfihlo zomndeni, enzela ukuthi mayisedlulile emhlabeni ukwazi ukulida nomndeni, ukutshela yonke into. Baze baxaye kodadewenu ukuthi ukwazi kanjani, ukwazi kanjani. Ingoba ubaba azakufundise ngisho ukuhlinza inkomo, akufundise ukuhlinza imbuzi, akufundise ngisho ukwabe izithebe wabela abantu, akufundise ngomhlaba, akufundise ngempilo, akhulume ngendaba zezitha zalekhaya, ukutshela yonke into. Noma uyindodana emazulwini, utshelwa ngayo yonke into ehlukumeza umuntu ngaphansi komthunzi welanga, ukuthi bengabe eminyangeni bahlukunyezwa kanje, emasontweni ba-exploitwa kanje, uyabona, emculweni kwenziwa kanje, kwipolitiki kunje. Okwami is to consult and get all the relevant answers that I may require. That I may require is to consult. Hayi ukuthi yonke into ehlala la. Ingakho kunesigodlo. Ungene esigodlweni ubuze ngaleyo nto esuke seyenzekile ukuthi kwenzekeni la, bese uyatshelwa. Kuzokwenzakalani makunje, bese uyatshelwa. Umakhandakhanda uzobanqobela kanjani abantu, bese uyatshelwa. Ngeke yini ngelinye ilanga kuthi umuntu onomakhandakhanda usenengqinamba esekumele abhekane naye esimxaka, bese uyotshela ukuthi akusoze, bese uthi thumbs on. Thumbs on. Yabo. Yingakho njena ngihlale ngisho ngithi mangabe umuntu uphila ngicela uwahlonipha amanzi. Amanzi nje lihloniphe, idlozi lasemanzini lihloniphe. Yingakho ngisho ungaye kubathandazi uzwa kukhulunywa ngamanzi, uye kwabasindisiwe uzwa kubhabhadiswa, uye kubelungu ubafice besemanzini bebhukuda benza yonke into, uye emabhinceni uwafice geza azaye emfuleni ayochopha ingqakala, ufice kunamahlawe. Idlozi lamanzi you must respect. You must respect and adore idlozi lamanzi, you know, with all due course, because iyonanto that is the most powerful spiritual guidance. Ilento idlozi lamanzi. Ngomgqibelo nje siyakhala ningixolele bafethu, kodwa with all due respect I like ngizofunda ama comment bese ngiyalalela ukuthi nithini. Ukhumbule akuyona inyanga lengizokhuluma ngayo, ngizokhuluma ngomfundisi, okusho ukuthi inyanga lazikhona zirelax, angizi kuzona. Why can ngibhaka ukuthanda ukukhuluma ngabafundisi? It's because sometimes abafundisi babuye bafuna ukubukela phansi usiko nendlela umuntu omnyama aqhuba ngayo, afuna ukuzenza ngcono. Na into ebuyinyanyisa, and bonke laba abazenza ngcono, njengoba last time ngakhuluma ngesonto, elizenza ngcono mangifika khona ngabona ukuthi uthwelwe la and indlela ekuthwelwe ngayo umfundisi omkhulu wakhona washiswa kwathatha umlotha wavuvuzelwa ngaphakathi ukuze uye kona wonke amakhono endlini kwase kwenziwa usiko olujwayelekile lokuthi akusale sekuba khona ithuna ngaphandle ithuna likuma premises njengoba likuma premises ithuna lalo yamfundisi leli sonto engakhuluma ngaye njengoba likuma premises washiswa I'm telling you washiswa umlotha wavuvuzelwa ngaphakathi because I was very curious ukuthi kwenzakalani ithuna lingaphandle kodwa mina ngimbona engaphakathi and ngibona namanye ama spirits akhona ngaphakathi and ithuna lingaphandle kwathiwa cha washiswa umlotha wavuvuzelwa ngaphakathi especially lapha estage sase siyahlangana ispirit sase siyazambela sase siyohlala phezulu kusilindi kwase kuzothi eminye imimoya ethwetshulwa ilo moya lo engikhuluma ngawo lo washiswa ibekwa lapha emakhoneni la kunephambano khona futhi makhono odlulayo okhona ebandleni adlule mhlawumbe ngokuthi sometimes ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ukhona omunye umoya engubonile owake waquleka ngaphakathi leli sonto after sekwenziwe le ritual ngiyabona ukuthi ukhona waquleka lo waquleka naye wahlala lapha ya ekhoneni lakhe esiphambanweni lapha ulapha esiphambanweni ngabona bakhona abanye abasebandleni abadlulile izinto eziningi zenziwa yisonto nabo balapha elokhuzeni ephambanweni iminingi imimoya engiyibonayo kodwa the main one lo washiswa kwase kwenziwa ithuna ngaphandle uhleli lapha phezulu kusilingi lapho ngeke ubathinte ngenkolo baba bashumayela baze bakhale bakhuluma isingisi you know what I mean but okwami akona ukujudge abantu abakanjalo kodwa uma ngabe sengiyibonile into ngayicela imvumo then ngigrant permission to talk about such thing then mina I can go ahead me so uma udila no King Bhaka awudili nomuntu okule level yokuhamba ngithi ngizohlola angikho kulo level mina ngikwi level baba esezingeni elinye abasemazingeni aphezulu baya understand lento engishoyo abantu abane power and spiritually uplifted for really they understand what I'm conveying right now they do understand me very well yabona abantu aba spiritually connected they understand me very well but if you are still young kulolu uhambo la kamoya in that spiritual journey you are still young kune spiritual journey you are going to miss a lot of things when I'm talking yours to do is to make it a point that you do follow without criticizing anything because you are too young. For me to do is to groom you. Sometimes man I do interact with people when it comes to a comment section. I do interact because sometimes I do see a need for me to comment or to reply to a certain individual because sometimes I do understand no this comment it shows that that person is lacking is lacking of information. You know, this guy is running out of data information. So let me respond so that I will also give him or her some information, you know. Abanye baze bamanga uthi King Bhaka why you are always responding to people. I know ngizazo respond because by responding lokho kuyashintsha kube teaching and I'm so glad ukuthi uma ngiresponda abanye abantu they respond back sometimes and say thank you King Bhaka now I understand because inhloso yami akukona ukulwa inhloso yami ukufundisa because ngiyalazi uhambo la kamoya ukuthi lunengqinamba nama challenges amangakanani it's not easy for the one to understand and follow it you know without going through those challenges and obstacles as well, you know, because I know what I went through to become the King Bhagat that, of course, I am today. I've been through a lot, you know. I've been through such difficulties I encountered with a lot of challenges before I became to be a King Bhagat that I am. You know, I'm not a fly by night. I've never slept and wake up in the morning and say, now I am a king. You know, I've got such messages. I've got such messages to convey to people, and I know this and this and this. Hey, brah, I've been through a lot. That is the reason why I dug myself a dam. You know, it was part of my spiritual journey for me to dig a dam, for me to have a makanda stone. You know, it was part of my journey to discover that very big stone. You know, for me to have that holy mountain in my premises, it was part of my journey. It was part of my journey. Yeah, but for me to have that makanda house there next to my dam, it was part of my spiritual journey. You know, for me to build that entire village, it is part of my spiritual journey. You know, for me to have my underground house, it is part of my spiritual journey. I hope you guys, wherever you are going to sit to understand, so that you will understand what I'm saying. You know, I've been through a lot. Yeah, so what I can advise you to do, please respect one another, because you are not sure ukuthi your conduct or your behavior is 100% perfect. You are not sure about that. You are not sure. I like anginandaba ukuthi ukuphi usebenza kuphi ubani lento leya kamoya baba ayinakho ukuthi ufunde phi usebenza kuphi ubani iya ngokuthi are you spiritually gifted yini na. Are you spiritually gifted yini na? Uyakhona yini ukubona into ezingabona? Hayi lo mdlalo obuye wenziwe inyoni la ngaphandle izinyanga za social media zithi ziyahlola idakwa. Hayi lo mdlalo lo. Ubuke nje ukuthi yazi yabheda inja. Yazi yabheda inja. Ubone futhi ukuthi yazi yalamba inja. Khona umuntu ombona kahle ukuthi yabonake lo ulambe ngisho esiswini. Usethandazela ukuthi akube khona umuntu ozovuka athi uzohlola ukuze ilali idlile inja. Ayikho indlela, ayikwazi ngisho ukucela imali kwipower. Kwazi ukucela imali. Ngongambuza umuntu ukuthi mawune power uyicela kanjani imali ifike. Khona ezingazi imali icela kanjani mawune power. Ezingazi hlobo ukuthi mawufika esigodlweni uthi ngicela imali. Makuthiwe akhale triple story. Uzokwazi ukuyakha because esigodlweni bazokuprovide abazi. Abantu bazi mawufuna imali nje ufuna uqola umuntu. Abazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuhlala esigodlweni. Kodwa ukwazi ukwenza izinto abantu bayibuza ukuthi uyenza kanjani imali, uyakwazi ukuyicela imali. Bafethu ngoba vele komgqibelo ngiyeza ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba yalo mfundisi, kodwa manje ngivumela ngizobheka ama comment, kodwa ama comment amaningi bethi no, I promise you ngeke ngiyenze lokho. Uthwele ngabantu basekhweni lakhe noma angathi abantu uthwele ngedlozi, because ayikho into ethi abafe ekhweni ukuze aqhubeka sustain. Ayikho into enjalo, kodwa idlozi lasekhweni lithwebulekile leza unkosikazi wakhe, then from unkosikazi indoda ayisebenzisa lona through unkosikazi iconnecta ngonkosikazi kwidlozi lasekhweni. Uthwale ngakufakela nangisikisa. Mawungangazi mfethu, you are more than welcome to know and understand me. Igama ngubhali sibongo wanzama bathi ngikhambile bathi ngibonile bathi ngizenzile bathi wathinta ubhakuda kuyini ngingqwele phuqaphuqimiza abafokazana ngothola lutho labetshise thuluza ngahambi nalo ngifithi ensimini xa uxakile kusazoshuma kusangenzeka noma yini ngumafavuke njengedanga abaningi unogwadobhadwa ikhulule ngumfaka amakhanda indlondlo enamakhanda amabili elesithathu elenkosazana dama ningasho ubusika nehlobo ngcwele engaphuphi inyoni zibhubha amehla namalanga siphethu angabonakala amazi aqhamuka kuphi kubonakala la ephuma khona ngathini mina bathini bona kunjani makunje wena onyanyayo fokofo mina ngeke ngize ngizwe ngempatha vale ngakufakela nangisikisa baba yini.